Honestly, I don't care about daily bias. I don't care where it's going. I don't care if it's going up, down, left, right, backwards, sideways. I really don't care. I look at where it's going in 10, 15, 20 minutes to maybe half an hour. So that's what I'm looking at. I will, however, jump up onto the 4 hour, see what's going on, like see if there's any swing trades going on. If there's nothing, then I immediately go down to the 1 hour. Once I'm down onto the 1 hour, I will have a look at my session highs and lows. I like to look at pre-sessions. I like to look at, London high, London low, Asia high, Asia low. I like to see what the trend is doing. I'm a big believer of trend is trend. So the minute I see a trend, I'm like, okay, so now we're in a downtrend. Cool. We're identifying that. Price is fractal. So what am I going to be looking at on the lower time frame? Okay, breaks of structure, pullbacks, breakouts. Okay, that's fine. Look at that on the higher time frame. So that's what I like to see is now that we're pulling up, there we go. We've got this potential imbalance here. We've also got this consolidation zone here. So there's going to be a potential where price may want to go up to, and then it could either continue lower or it could come down and then start shifting the trend. So that's what I look at, is that sort of midday trend, that sort of intraday shorter time frame trend. And then what I like to do is just jump down to the lower time frame, see if any liquidity's been swept, see if any structure's been swept, and then see if we've got any breaks of structure, any shifts, any momentum, see what the volume's doing. So that's how I determine my bias, is where could there be a potential point of continuation on the higher time frame. So are we in a mid-trend? Are we pulling it up to an area of interest? Are we currently in an area of interest? And how does that marry up with my lower time frame? So right now, I know that we're in a pullback, so therefore I'm higher time frame downtrend. So as we're in a pullback of a higher time frame downtrend, is there an area on the lower time frame that I can get in on a long position to continue and trade that pullback up? So that's what I look for.